Okay, so I almost forgot to come and show y'all pretty much the new bundle from Nirvana Nour that I got. I got one bundle of 20 to 22 inch of her raw curly or raw wavy curly blend in a slightly to medium coarse texture. And it was 3.6 ounces, I want to say. So this is the bundle. This is the wefting. Of course, since the weft is longer, the 3 point... Let me look at this tag so I don't tell y'all the wrong thing. Sorry, trying to move the hair out the way. So it is called Elaine, slightly medium coarse, wavy curly, 20 to 22 inches, 3.5 ounces. So yeah, and it just comes with this tag. It says Nirvana Nour on the front and then all your hair info on the back. So yeah, so this is a slightly to medium coarse bundle. And of course, since it is a longer length, it just doesn't look like you get as much. But this bundle definitely has some weight to it. Very pretty bundle, as you can see. So wavy curly with it being really loose at the top and really defined at the bottom, and I actually like that. I'm actually looking to do a different style with this hair, so I may only get 2 bundles, but she didn't have anything that matched, so I'm either waiting for her to restock or looking for another company to purchase from. So I will post a video when I do find a matching bundle. But her packaging is the same. This little brown organza bag, this Nirvana Nour little info card with all her info, hair care tips on the back, one of her business cards with all of her info on the back. I've never called that number. I wonder if she offers text. But yeah, so the bundle is beautiful. It was not cheap, but very pretty. I'm gonna end up straightening it out and then possibly doing leave out, because typically when I buy textured hair, I don't like to do a closure. I like to do leave out, and then if I get silky hair, then I'll do a closure. I'm weird. If y'all have any questions, leave it below. But yeah, so this is the bundle, 20 to 22 inch, slightly to medium coarse in texture, 3.5 ounces. This is the amount of wefting you get. I'm just trying to find something to match it.